Hi guys, it's Kate here, and today I'm going to go to my garden and do some drawing on this paper of what I see. And my colors are here. And yeah, so also my sisters are going to be outside, so it could be a bit loud, but yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so I'm here. I'm going to draw. Okay, so let's see what I can do. Okay, I'm gonna. Can you see these bushes here? I'm gonna draw them with beautiful flowers. So, okay, let me get back to sit down. Oops. Okay. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So before those bushes are green. So okay, so yeah. So there's green, like a bit of.
Mom, you were.
Okay, so it's dark green, so I'm gonna do dark green, and there's yellow flowers. So I think I need to fold it because it's not that big. So yeah. Okay. You see, my sisters are such an in. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna draw there like. Let me just show you the example. They have little leaves all over it. Okay, I'll show you. So look, it's got little leaves. It has plenty more, but that's what I'm talking about. So yeah, I'll be back when I'm done. And now it has those yellow butter flowers. Apparently they have butter on these flowers. So here are two different types of yellow, so I'm gonna use them. So yeah, they're really kind of small.
I like the ice cream game.
So yeah. So this is how it looks. So yeah, I'm gonna draw like maybe 7 more, so I'll be right back when I've finished. Okay, so I'm done, and this is how it looks.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna draw the white flowers. Because I don't have white, I am using gray. So I'm gonna do them between these flowers because there's space. So yeah, I'm gonna use a darker green. So I'm gonna do maybe 2 or 1 between the gaps. So yeah, and then I'll be done. I will show them when I'm done. I'll be right back. So now I'm just doing like the soil of the bottom, and this gray turned out to look a little bit like black. So I'm just gonna add I want to see if I add a bit of yellow and see what it does, if it makes it lighter or anything. So yeah, this is how it looks with the soil so far. So yeah, I'll be right back. So it really doesn't change nothing, but now I'm gonna add the roots in a light brown. Sorry guys, that's my sisters. So yeah.
I need to go quick. Look now. Wow. Hey.
I'll be right back. So yeah, I told her just to stop shouting because yeah. Okay. Yeah, so now I'm done. So how does this look? I know it doesn't really look the same, but wait, let me see if I can zoom in. Okay, I can't zoom on the selfie mode, so yeah, I can only zoom on the back mode, so yeah. Anyways, as you can see, so yeah, as you can see, it's white, and I don't know if you can see those yellow flowers there. So yeah, it doesn't really look the same because it's not full and packed, but yeah. I'm just gonna do a little bit more, so I'll be right back. So yeah, added a bit more. Thank you guys for